Hey everybody, this is the Happy Nappy Trucker coming at you for day 6 of orientation, company orientation. Today we did pump offloading. We also learned about HIT, which is how you keep your product cold when it's running through your tanker. Pretty much just running your coolant from that's used in your own truck through the tanker to help cool it. And you actually do got to keep up with it and replace the missing fluid. But that was the gist of the day. Did that 3 times today. I see now that when I go through, at least until I really start to understand and get into a rhythm and know what I'm doing, have much more experience with this, I'm going to go by and just check off the checklist. I didn't do it this time because it's the only sheet I have, and until I can get it laminated or something, I'm not trying to mess it up while I'm here at trading. But when I'm on my own, finally, then I'll go ahead and just go ahead and check off each step to make sure I don't miss anything. Because depending on what I'm unloading, it could be quite dangerous. So you definitely don't want to mess up that process, and you want to make sure all your I's are dotted and all your T's are crossed. Uh, so I did okay. I mean, out of 3 times I did it, I think there was still something I messed up on, but I'll get better at it. It's training. I'm supposed to be able to learn and make mistakes while I'm here. Yeah, they let you do that, so that's great. I mean, that's what it's for, so you can train and learn how to do it right. I can't wait. This week is almost over. We actually work on Sunday, even though we're driving, which is really great. But even though we're driving, we still got to. It's pretty much work. We still got to go in. There's no days off, so 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. Next week should be hopefully our last week before we get moved to our new assignment, or at least get moved to go train with our engineer. That means I can finally get up out of this location because I mean, there's nothing here. We have a city close by, but then with no car, you can't get to anything. There's no convenience store that's really convenient to walk to. There's no gas station. There is a Walmart, there's a Target, but the that's where I'd go to do my grocery shopping, and to walk back then a half mile with groceries, it's just stupid. It's poor planning. That doesn't make any sense. But hopefully I'm only here for 2 weeks, and before I move to somewhere else, or at least where I'm somewhere mobile and can stop and get shit, as opposed to this. Also, this holding back a week of our check kind of sucks. I think I'll like it more once I get done and pass all my tests, and I'm like just waiting to pick up my truck and start my own route. At least I know I'll have a check coming in uh, before I start working. So maybe there I'll appreciate it more. But right now, to go 2 weeks without any money is again really rough. It's like CDL school all over again. Only I'm making $30 more. So that's the increase. I make $30 more because I have a CDL, whereas before I was making $50 a week. But if I can make it off of 50, I can make it off of 80. I just gotta get paid first. Other than that, things are going well. My stove is still not fixed here at this extended stay. So again, I can't cook anything. I don't know what the fuck they expect me to eat. I mean, way to go, extended stay. You suck. Poor review. Or at least if anybody else staying at an extended stay, tell them to make sure your stove works before they make you stay there, because you're gonna go and get food and not realize that you can't cook anything. Other than that, this is the Happy Nappy Trucker. Still happy, still nappy. Peace.